There you are, darling. It's all happening. It's all happening. Elijah Cuckoo has managed to make you interested, darling. There you are, sweetheart. Little Ruby Rose. Oh yes, you've got a nice teenage Romeo interested in you, my Elijah Cuckoo. There you are, darling. You've managed to split up the brothers. Oh, fine little one like you. Poor Elisha. Come along, Elisha. Get hold of that Joan. Get hold of Joan, darling. There, Job. Here's Joan. I don't know what you're doing up there, Joan, but you're not doing any good. You're not doing any good. You got a fine potential young husband down here. Hello, Ruffy. Hello, Ruff. Hello, Fluff. You're the cause of all this. There's your children pairing up. There's your children pairing up. There you are, darling. You're good ones. There you are. Yeah, I know, Elisha Cuckoo. It's sad, my Elisha. You're on my head. You're looking very sad. You're watching your brother with young Ruby Rose. Oh, you're watching your brother Elijah. Oh, well, look, there's Joan up there. You get it on with Joan, all right?